In this video, I'll show you how to create, save, and use email templates in new Outlook. Outlook offers two types of email templates. One is the built-in mail templates, which saves complete emails, and other is the mail templates add-in for quick text blocks. Let's first see how the built-in email template works. To create a new email from a template, I'll click the arrow under New, then I'll select Mail from Template. It opens all the saved templates. I'll select the template I want to use to create the mail. Here is our complete email template. It has BCC added and an attachment. And here's the email body with rich text. This email templates also contains a table. Now I can replace these placeholders like invoice for the month of March. Hi, client name, I'll just add John or something, and here I'll just change it to March 2026, and in the table I can add the data like 5 hours at the rate of 30, amount is 150, and project management 3 hours at the rate of 30 is 90, and additional support is 2 hours at the rate of 30 and it is 60. And the total amount is 300. And now I can send the email created with the email template. See how convenient it is to have email templates ready for your daily workflow. You will also notice that this template has a clickable email signature. Watch this video to add the same clickable email signature across Outlook desktop, mobile, and web. Let's see an email template that requires no editing. I'll click the arrow here, Mail from Template, and I'll select this New Client Welcome Email. I'll open this in a new window. This is a welcome email for new clients. It doesn't require any changes. I can edit it if I want to. That is how easy it is to send repeated emails with the built-in mail templates. And the best part, these templates synchronize automatically. If you create a template here in the Outlook desktop app, you can also use them in the Outlook web. Let's see how to build an email template so you can use it. To create a new template, I'll compose a new email. I'll open it in a new window, and here I'll add the email subject, and then I'll add the email body. I can add the email signature if I want to. I just added the email signature, the same clickable email signature we have. You can also add an attachment if needed. The attachment will be saved with the template as we saw in the earlier example. Whenever I want to reschedule a meeting, I'll just need to add the dates and time so the other person can pick a slot that works for them. This email does not require any attachment. To save this template, I'll click on File, then Templates, then Save Email as Template. I'll give it a name, Meeting Reschedule Request, and I'll save it. Next time I need to reschedule a meeting, I'll click this arrow under New. I'll select Mail from Template and select this Meeting Reschedule Request. Now I need to add the dates and times here as per my availability. Editing the template here will not affect the saved template. If you need to edit a template, click the gear icon, then select Mail, select Templates, and click this pencil icon to edit the template. Make any changes you need, then click File, select Templates, Save Email as Template, and select the previously saved template so it just overwrites, and click the Save button. All changes will be saved in the same email template. Now let's see how to create templates using the My Template option. In Outlook, when you compose a new email under the Messages tab, you see this option My Templates. Here you can save short text blocks to quickly insert into your email. For example, you can create a template for the disclaimer like this, or you can add something else like a approval confirmation. Any short text block you may need to send frequently, you can save it in My Templates. Let's see how to create these templates. I'll click the plus icon here, plus template. I'll give it a title and I'll add a body for the template and I'll click this save button. Whenever you need to use this template, put the cursor where you want to insert the text block and then click this template. To edit a template, hover the pointer over the template and click this pencil icon. And now you can edit it and save it. So use mail templates for complete emails you send regularly. Use my templates for quick text blocks you drop into replies and emails. And remember, templates you create in new Outlook app will also be available in the Outlook on the web. I also have more Outlook tutorials on the channel. I'll add the links in the video description. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.